Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 1 till question number 4 of exercise 11.2, and also we will see some introductory part of the exercise 11.2. For exercise 11.2 there are some formulae which will be used for solving exercise 11.2, and those formulas are area of parallelogram and also area of triangle. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, that is b into h. Now what is base and what is height? Students, any side AB, BC, CD, AD, any side of the parallelogram can be chosen as the base. If we are choosing AB as the base, then the height will be the perpendicular dropped from the opposite vertex to the base. That perpendicular which we dropped is known as height. So if they have given you the side AB and the height dm, we can say, let us take m, height dm they have given us, then we can easily put it in this formula and find the answer. Similarly, if the base is SP, then the perpendicular dropped from the opposite vertex to the base is known as height. Hope you are understanding. Please remember this formula. This is the formula of parallelogram. Now moving to area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, which we can say half into b into h. Again, any side can be base. If we choose this side as the base, then the perpendicular dropped from the opposite vertex to the base is our height, which is also known as altitude. So we will put the length of this base and height in this formula and we can easily find out area of triangle. If the triangle is obtuse, then also same will be apply. If we choose this base, then from opposite vertex, when one particular line is dropped, one perpendicular is dropped on the base, extended base, that is known as height. If it is right angled triangle, then either of the side, ignoring hypotenuse, not the hypotenuse, this or this can be the base. Also, if this is base, then this will be height, and if this is base, then this is our height. Hope you have understood. You are supposed to remember these two formulas. One is half into base into height, that is for area of triangle, and one is area of parallelogram, that is base into height. So let us solve question number 1. But for solving question number 1, let me take you to the exercise. Exercise 11.2, in that question number 1 says, find the area of each of the following parallelograms. They have given us 5 parallelograms. We are supposed to find the area of that parallelogram. If you see this first parallelogram, base is 7 and height is 4. So let me write base is 7 and height is 4. So 7 into 4 will give me 7 4s are 28. Since it is centimeter, so area will be centimeter square. Moving to the second question. Base is 5, height is 3. Putting in this formula, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base is 5, height is 3. So it will give me 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. Moving to next question, that is part C. Part C is having 2.5 as base and height is 3.5. So we will write 2.5 base into height is 3.5 ignoring 2 decimal points, if I multiply 35 into 25, I will get 875. But since I have removed 2 decimal points, I will place it back from the right side 1 and 2. So this answer is 8.75 centimeter square. Moving to the fourth part. Fourth part says base is 5 and height is 4.8. 5 into 4.8, again ignoring the decimal point, if I multiply, I will get the answer as 240. But since I will return back the decimal point, I will left with 24.0, which I can write only 24. Now the last part, that is base is 2 and height is 4.4. So our answer is 2 into 4.4. 44 into 2 will give me 88, but 1 decimal point, so I will write 8.8 centimeter square. Now moving to question number 2. Again they have given us the triangles, since like they have given us parallelogram. First is base is 4, height is 3. So I will write half into base is 4 and height is 3. 2 1s and 2 2s will cancel out, so we will left with 6 centimeter square. Next figure, the base is 5, so I will write half into 5 into 3.2. If I cancel out 2 1s and 2 1.6s, then multiplying 16 into 5, I will get area of 16 into 5 will give me 80, but if I return back 1 decimal point, I will left with 8 only. So the answer will be 8 centimeter square. Moving to the third part. Third, I want to show you the base and the height. Here you can see it is a right angle triangle. How I know? Here it is 90 degree. So any of them can be base. If I am taking this base, this will be height. If this is the base, then this will be the height. So half into 3 into 4. 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 2s is 6 centimeter square. Area of triangle, last part, base is 3 and height is 2. 2 will cancel out, so answer will be 3 centimeter square. Hope you are understanding. Moving to question number 3. In question number 3, they have given us one box in which they are telling us find the missing values. Let me show you. They have given us this column. The missing values we are supposed to find, which I have already written. So let me show you. Base they have given us 20, height they have not given us, we are supposed to find, and area of parallelogram they have given us. We know the area of parallelogram is base into height. We will put all the values which they have given. Area of parallelogram is 246, base is 20, and height we are supposed to find. So what we will do, we will keep height as it is, and 20 will be divide. If it goes that side, it will divide, which when I cut, I will get 12.3 centimeter height, right? This will be 12.3 centimeter. Moving to the second part. In second part, base we are supposed to find, height they have given, area of parallelogram they have given. I have written all the values. Now since base is supposed to find, I will write base is equal to 154.5 and this 15 which is in multiplication, it will come here. This is 154.5 centimeter square and this is 15 centimeter. When I cancel out, I will get the answer as 10 point base is equal to 10.3 centimeter and 1 centimeter will cancel out, so I will left with 10.3 centimeter. Now part C. In part C, they have given us 48.72 centimeter, that is area of parallelogram. We are supposed to find base. So putting it in this value, base we are supposed to find. So we will write base is equal to 48.72 centimeter square divided by 8.4 centimeter. 1 centimeter from the above and below will cancel out, so we will be left with base is equal to, when I cancel out 8.4 and 48.72, I will left with 5.8 and 1 centimeter. This will be our answer. Moving to the part number D. Here we are supposed to find height, so we will keep height there only. We will write 16.38 centimeter square divided by 15.6 centimeter. 1 centimeter from the below and above will cancel out, and when we calculate, our height will be left with 1.05 and 1 centimeter. This will be our answer. Like they have given us in question number 3, same way they have given us another column in which they have given us base. We are supposed to find height, and they have given us area of triangle, and they have told find the missing value, that is height. So what we will do, we will place it like we have placed in the formula of area of parallelogram. Same way we will place the values in area of triangle. Area of triangle they have given is 87 is equal to 1 by 2. Base they have given is 15 and height we are supposed to find. So what we will do, we will take 2 over here, it will multiply, so I will get 174 I think 174. Then this 15 which is there in multiplication, it will come down and divide. So our height will become h is equal to 15 11 za 155 and 0.6 centimeter. This is our answer. Height is 11.6 centimeter. Same way, second part, base we are supposed to find, height is given, area of triangle is given. So we will write the values in their respective column. Area is 1256 is equal to half into height is base we are supposed to find, height is 31.4. This is which is in division, it will go that side, so it will multiply, and we are supposed to find base, so we will write base is equal to 1256 multiply by 2, and this which is in multiplication, it will come and divide. So this will become 2512 divided by 31.5. This is in centimeter square, this is in centimeter and square will cut out, we will left with centimeter, and when we solve this, we will get 80, I think, yes, 80 centimeter. The answer will be 80 centimeter when you cancel out. Now moving to the last part, base is 22, height we are supposed to find, area they have given, so we will place it in their respective order. Height we are supposed to find, we will keep height there only. 2 which is in division, it will come here and multiply, so we will write 170.5 into 2 divide by 22. 170.5 will give me 0.5, 341 divided by 22, if I am not wrong. Or what we will do, we will cancel out 2 ones are 2 11s are, and when we will solve 170.5 centimeter square divided by 11 centimeter and square will cancel out. 11, when we cancel out, we will get 15.5 centimeter. So this will be our answer. Hope you have understood how to use when they have given you some 2 things out of the 3 things, that is base, height they have given, then you can find area of parallelogram. If they have given area, we can still find base or height, any of the thing. Hope you have understood this exercise till question number 4. If not, please go through it once more. We will meet with new video in future. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.